Hello and welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Well, now we are bringing some updates from Maharashtra, where in a significant move, the state government has formed a special investigation team to tackle the issue of Bangladeshi infiltrators. A letter has been sent to all divisional commissioners and district collectors directing action on the entire matter. This SIT was actually created following a complaint and evidence provided by BJP leader Kirti Somaiya. The formation of the SIT is also aimed at addressing these concerns and securing the state. This comes amid the ongoing investigation into the stabbing of actor Saif Ali Khan, who was attacked in an alleged robbery attempt. Now, as both the cases unfold, the government is also facing growing pressure to strengthen security measures across the state. BJP's Kirti Somaiya reacts to Maharashtra's SIT probe on Bangladeshi infiltrators. Anand gets his views. Let's take a look.
Your complaint now bearing fruit, SITs have been formed to crack down on illegals, and also this entire mechanism of issuing fake birth and death certificates.
I certainly welcome and thank CM Devendra Fadnavis. Further to that, he has issued directives that no further birth certificates shall be issued by the Tehsildar or collector till the full investigation and report is received. In the year 2024, during the election process of Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha, around 2 lakh applications have been received in Maharashtra by various collectorates. 99% of these applications belong to Muslim Bangladeshi. And that's why I went into detail and we were shocked. The 4 documents, 4 evidences, and so I'm now really sure that all these 2 lakh people who have applied, the ATVs will take cognizance and will get into further detailed investigation.
What did you find on ground? Did you see real cases, Mr. Somaiya?
Yeah.
And were these documents made only in Maharashtra, or did some of them have documents even from other states?
The thing I'm worried about, because this amendment in the Act has come in existence since 2024.
Ji.
So in 2024, when I got this information in November 2024, when I exposed the Malegaon vote GR funding scam, and in 1 month I went into detail, now everything is out. So what is happening or happened in Maharashtra, it could have happened or it might be happening in other states in India.
States also.
This could be a very big, very, very big design to 2 lakh applications with 4 documents, and they also influence. It is Prabhav or Dabav, the Tehsildar.
Right.
More than 1 lakh certificates are already issued. And I am now behind the government and I am pressurizing, pursuing with the Chief Minister that all those 1 lakh certificates issued in 2024,
right,
that also should be investigated.
Well, the Maharashtra state government is now under pressure to deliver results in both the Saif Ali Khan stabbing case and the crackdown on Bangladeshi infiltrators. We'll keep you posted on any developments on this report. But with all of those news and updates, it's a wrap from our side. Stay informed and stay tuned to CNN News 18. Thanks for tuning in this morning.